Okay, now let's move to Virgo. So, Virgo, this is your reading for March 16 to 22. Only takes for resonate with you and leave what doesn't. This is Sun, Moon, and Venus, as well as rising placement. Only takes for resonate with you, no? And let's see, this reading is for your love, career, and finance. And let's see kung ano ang ganap sa ating mga Virgo. Ooh, for your love and wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, sa yung love na you have partnership and expansion, which is the two of wands. Sa iyo namang career, you have reflection and perspective. Sa iyo namang finance, no, you have the financial investment. Okay. Sa relationship na, I think na-feel ko sa relationships have felt a little drainy, confusing lately because the moon offers a clear and medyo less over-analyzing siguro muna. Ayun ang gusto yata ni two of wands sa'yo because of this. Sabi ko ba kanina moon? No, earth. Earth yan, si earth. No, and yes, analyzing the details and more about the feeling or the partnership. Maybe, ang sinasabi rito, parang gusto niyang sabihin na, instead of analyzing too much, mas maganda is mag-focus ka sa feeling ng iyong partner. Because you're the Virgo, you analyze too much. Yes, whether you like it or not, you are, no? Kahit aminin mo o hindi. But you are analyzing sometimes a little bit too much analyzation. So, sometimes you have to feel your partner as well. Feel the love that is genuine. Taray mo, Virgo. Anyways, nakicarried away na naman ako. And then, let's move to your career. Sa iyong career, no, medyo may reflection. May mga, nakikita ko dito, mayroong mga sacrifices sa career, no? May mga reflection, mga maabangan kang mga parang lack of direction sa iyong career. But we will clarify this later on. And then, you have the 8 of Wands sa iyong finance, which is, I think, mas maganda kung mag-invest ka. No, yun yung sinasabi dito, investment. Si 8 of Wands. But we will clarify these cards for our Virgo. Alright. For our Virgo. Okay, love muna tayo kay our Virgo. Spirit guide, thank you. Help me for this reading. Virgo, love, 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands, love for Virgo. One more, please. Thank you. Oh, forgive us 4. Alright, okay, you have 2 of Wands, Queen of Cups, 10 of Wands, you have 7 of Swords. Okay, this is, okay. So, sa love mo, no, kailangan mo ng medyo balance, no? Need balance daw. Because lack of action may make the situation worse din eh. No? So, yeah. Kalma lang daw. Kalmahan, wag masyadong mag-isip, no? Maglagay ng compassion para ma-achieve mo yung mga gusto mo, mga... And then, you have the 3 of Wands, no? Sinasabi dito ni 3 of Wands, you are working so hard to your relationship, no, to accomplish your whatever you want with your partner or even in yourself, no. Sinasabi dito ni 10 of Wands, no. But now you must deal with the burden of success, no. Isipin mo din kung ano yung magiging outcome para alam mo yon, mag-success ka sa iyong relationship. If you want a relationship or even a relationship with your family, with yourself, no? There's order to stay on top. There is always and always to achieve your goal. No? You must maintain the responsibility of creating and keep working. You may even need to let go of some of those responsibilities to avoid overburning. Very Virgo, no? And then, you have Seven of Swords, which ang sinasabi dito is, selfishness is not really good sometimes, no? Being sneaky about the situation rather than facing it head on. It may be you or someone in your life who is going behind the back of others. When drawing these cards, be sure to reflect on your intention and make sure they are pure. Okay? Siguraduhin mong pure kasi may mga baka sneakiness yung partner mo or kaya ikaw, 'di ba? Ikaw ba may ginagawang okay at tama sa iyong relationship? Okay? Nasa sayo na 'yon. Hindi ko na 'yon pakikialaman, Virgo. All right, so let's move to the Hangman to clarify. Let's clarify the Hangman. Okay. Hangman for Virgo. Hangman. Clarify the Hangman, please. For Virgo. One more, please. Okay. So, you have 5 of Swords, you have 3 of Swords, and you have the 2 of Pentacles. Balance nga na even in your career, no? Complex, victorious, wow. Put your battle wisely at work and think before you act. 5 of Swords is about tension and disagreement with others in your work. Even if you have won the battle, you may have still lost by hurting others. Okay? Then you have the 3 of Swords sa iyong career. 3 of Swords indicate a time of pain and heartbreak. However, it encourages you to use this pain as a lesson, learn, accept your loss, release the pain, and move on with the past behind. Okay, you have 2 of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles in this card of balance. And parang completion balance and completion sa mga problema. You may be getting pulled in multiple direction trying to manage your career, relationship, family, health, etc. all at the same time. So learn to prioritize these things for a healthier outcome. Balance, partnership, and multitasking. Balance mo lang daw yon, no? Sa iyong career. So, let me see your 8 of Wands. Let me clarify your 8 of Wands for your finance. Virgo. Virgo. For Virgo, please. One more. Okay. For Virgo. Okay, you have King of Swords. You have the 4 of Pentacles. And you have the 6 of Cups. For your finance is about investment. Si 8 of Wands. So, material, passion, grave, true. Okay, so you've been working hard as a result. Have gained quite a bit of wealth because of however you may have become a little bit spending. Much. A little bit much. And also, you are focusing on material things, to the point where you're afraid to take risks to both financially and emotionally. Okay, you have King of Swords, which is authority, logic, calming, and clear thinking. No, so ibig sabihin nito is about you take leadership, you take action to start investing and make sure that is in law and order. It suggests fearless logic and a clear mind when making a decision. Okay? Because the King of Swords is about authority, logic, calmness, and clear thinker. Remember that it's also good to focus on what is now. Okay? So, well. Sinasabi naman kasi ni 8 of Wands dito, no, is, it's actually Mercury in Sagittarius, which is more on actions, no? Progress. Quick decision, but kailangan mong maging clear thinker when it comes to making a decision, when it comes to your financial, no? And then, siguro wag masyadong gumastos din. Kasi it's about financial investment, si 8 of Wands, no? And magkakaroon ka ng financial investment. And I'm pretty sure because, actually, maganda naman yung labas ng card mo, Virgo eh. Pakaganda ng labas ng card mo. Wala akong nakikitang any negative. It's about just working and pushing. Normal, parang diretso pa rin naman. It's very Virgo naman pa rin. Very Virgo, multitasking. Multitasker. Paano ko ba sasabihin yun? Okay, so hingi tayo ng advice for our angel. Angel advice for our Virgo for this reading. Thank you so much. Cupid. Ooh, Cupid yarn. Okay. We send a great wave of love into your heart and mind, Virgo. Awakening your love for life itself. Your clear decision to accept and enjoy romance has triggered this awakening. Allowed yourself to spontaneously celebrate love in all of its glorious aspects. Wow. Okay, that's your reading, Virgo, and I'll see you in my next video.